Okay, so we have a rational function on an interval between 5 and 8. It's a closed interval. And looking at it, it's undefined at 4. It's got a horizontal, a vertical asymptote, but 4 is not an interval, so I'm not worried about that. So let's write the derivative down, f prime. And I'm going to square the bottom. Take the bottom to the top, and that's going to be x minus 4, times the derivative of the top, which is 2x, minus the top, x squared minus 7, times the derivative of the bottom, which is just simply 1. All right, what do we get over here? Let's see, 2x squared minus 8x minus x squared plus 7 over x minus 4 squared. I'm going to keep going through this. X minus 4 squared. You get x squared minus 8x plus 7. Well, I'm going to see if I can factor that. X minus 4 squared, x and x, and then you can get 7 and 1 minus minus. So if I thought about it, the critical numbers there are 1 and at 7. However, 1's not going to be on that interval, so I just got a couple of things to consider over here. 5 is an endpoint. The only critical number on that interval is going to be 7. And the other endpoint is going to be 8. I got to do the computation because I'm looking for extrema. All right, let's do the 5 first. You get 1 in the bottom. On top, you get 25 minus 7. That's going to be 18. 18 divided by 1 is 18. All right, let's do the next one. That's going to be 7 minus 4 on bottom, which is 3. The top is going to be 7 squared, which is 49, minus 7, which is 42. And that's going to be 14. Let's do 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 squared is 64. Oops, sorry about that. 64 minus 7 is 57. Not much I can do about that. I do want to go through this with you, though, about the number. That's going to give me 16. So this number, 57/4, is 14. And it has a remainder, by the way, 1, and it's 1/4. All right? So what am I looking for? I'm looking for the maximum, and the maximum is clearly this one over here. I'm also looking for the minimum, and this is the minimum. All right, mistakes happen, and I want to encourage you to look at the answer keys. One thing in the answer key is look at the derivative. Do we get the correct derivative? Let's see, x minus 1, x minus 7. Yep. Did we get the maximum? And I said it was going to be 18. I said it occurred at 5. Yep, I got that. Did I get the minimum? Let me see if I did that. Yep, the minimum occurs at 7 and it's 14. And I also computed f of 8 for you, and that's 57/4. And that's going to be 14 and 1/4. Again, 14 times 4 is 40, and 16, 56. 56 plus 1 is 57. Works out pretty good. Thank you.